Hey, check it out. We're right here in the subway. We're about to go to fucking, what is it called?
The Bronx.
The Bronx.
We're gonna go, where the fuck are we going? You know what? We're lost. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. We've been lost for about 3.5 hours. We've been taking subway to subway. All these fucking streets look the same.
We don't know where we're
Well,
going.
we think this is the one.
Everybody's fucking weird out here, but it's sick. It's crazy. It's tight.
Ahorita que pase uno, ahorita que pase uno. Snoop, you don't want to come out on the video or what?
Say something, Snoop.
Think I'm on probation, dog.
Oh, shit.
Hey, down to cross all the way over there?
Hey, big ups to Benji. That was in fucking
Está en
El
Obama.
Salvador.
Benji ahorita anda
Está en
El
Obama.
Salvador.
Charlie. Get off fucking Craigslist. Hey, Charlie. I hit up Craigslist
Big
out
over
here.
here.
This shit is cracking, dog.
They got all kinds of
Hey,
shit.
come down. Hit up Craigslist. Paisa. Hey, everybody out there. About to get on this subway right here.
What city? What city?
Got a fucking spray can.
What city?
Tag this motherfucker. What
Subway
city?
here? Subway, you don't have any signal.
What city? Quit getting caught jaywalking, dick. Just use the crosswalk, boy. You won't go to jail for fucking 14 days.
We just
for
heard that
jaywalking.
Purple is here. He just arrived and Ross was fucking...
Does anybody have any signal?
Purple. Hey, let me call Purple. Let me call
Nah,
Ross on the map.
you get no signal down here.
Roswell.
You gotta keep talking to them.
Hey, hold on. Check it out. Wait, I'm
Subway
gonna call
pass
Purple. A speaker. Check it out.
Stop your fucking moving.
Call this phone on speaker right now.
Ahí viene el metro, el metro, el metro.
Oh, shit, no reception
You
down
no
here.
reception.
There's no reception down here in the metro.
Yeah.
Check this out. In about 2 hours, an hour, we're gonna go skiing.
Skiing or ice skating?
Ice skating. Ice skating.
Ice skating.
Rockefeller.
Ice skating.
Ice skating at the...
Rockefeller Center. Snoop doesn't know, but I'm gonna tackle that motherfucker. I used to be a pro ice skater.
Figure skating?
That's just coming, fool. That's just coming.
What's up, motherfuckers? We brought the West Coast to the East Coast.
Hell yeah.
New York City.
See, watch it. Hey, you guys want to say something to the camera right here? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
LA, Los Angeles. You guys are live right now.
99 cents?
You guys are live from LA.
Live. Justin TV. Justin TV.
Estos hijos de su puta madre no entendían ni lo que les dijimos. Dile, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Huh?
Eh? Here comes a fucking metro. Subway.
You get this sign right here. Check it out. Pico de gallo.
Hey, what's up, Weddle? What's going on?
I don't know, dog, but this shit is off the hook over here. I'm having fun.
That shit is bad.
Crazy. I'm gonna come move out here, dog, right after my birthday,
No, you're not. When's your birthday?
February 16th,
What's your social?
7665.
You stupid fuck. You said it on camera.
Yeah.